we had nothing to do with this decision. It was decision of NEC. 70% of the people at the meeting agreed that that was their position, and that was what they were doing to help with the affirmative action. But when this was communicated, there has been harsh reaction. And we wanted to call this meeting to explain our position. We are not afraid of competitions. I've been through 3 primaries and won my seat convincingly. Others have won their primaries in the past. So we are not afraid of competition. We are prepared to face anybody. We are women of substance, and we can fight and win our seats. But for the benefit of our children and the next generation, the women that will be wanting to come to Parliament, that's why we supported the decision by NEC. We are thanking them for what they've done. It's a bold decision. Affirmative action is not easy, but they've taken that decision, and we are saying bravo to NEC.
Now, how is that possible? When I am in the constituency every Monday, I have meetings with constituents every Monday at the office at the exhibition. How is it possible to have abandoned the constituency? This lady, I was with her about 2 months ago. Many of your stations covered it. When we visited the Akwebu Basic School, it was in all the, it was widely reported. She was there when we were interacting with the residents there. I have held public fora in all the electoral areas in the constituency. I've spoken on cholera, we've organized cleanup campaigns, I am in funerals, I am in churches, we have worked for the construction of 4 millennium schools in my constituency. The Glefe roads are being done because of the advocacy that we put in there. The Opetekwe roads are being done. I have been with the media several times to look at the, to monitor ongoing projects in my constituency. So if she really is the constituency women's organizer, and she is not aware of the immense work that her MP is doing in the constituency, even when she is physically present at some of these interactions, then it really does call into question her own credibility. There has been a backlash against this policy because understandably there will be, and it wasn't explained and articulated to the populace so that they would understand why the party was seeking to do what they were doing. I expected the communications wing of the party to do the public education on this so that we would all support it. Unfortunately, we, the sitting members of Parliament, were told not to talk because we are the potential beneficiaries of this. I objected to it and said that if we can't explain this policy, who can? If the party won't explain why they are doing this, who will? And so, because of the vacuum in terms of information flow and discussing of the rationale behind it, we have had this backlash. But the party must have had a reason for taking this stand.
I hear a few people say that the decision is not good, should be rescinded and all that, and I disagree with it. I think that you don't take a decision and just with the slightest opposition you feel, then you just go back and rescind it. This decision was heavy in 2008. Nothing was done. 2012, nothing was done. This is the platform for 2016. This is the era when we must do something. Affirmative action must be born. It's been conceived. And any plan of anybody to try and take it out is murder, and it will cost this party a lot.
Yes, by NJB Adom GFX father amount I go Kesee bebre, but my make out say down for your herbal products better and make sure that remind you Asem Kesee e dey bro. You bet my friend for baby you know me and say na for yera I go Kesee e bring 0302 211 701 up to 4 na electricity ho asem insurance asem afei man nankasa nanka asem no yesi ye de bo hono ban no so no wono kasa wono aka no so no nso nti ase and 0302 211 up to 4 Ashaven akusia manachira no nkasa
Ashaven ya mwache morning eti saying
mpacho eyo na mo ye de
Erade Adom ye ho ye mo akwa ba
mo bo adwuma yakopon ka mo mame cha me kuna programming planning deputy ana Roman Aka ana Elias communication officer ana incoming GF chairman Randia baby a wo bia masa brana on je be bo kana football
na Adam Randy also open
Randy so obeko
ona ko na anko de ase Ghana football goal sikadie basa we amla ina support no
Adam so dey atemi
okay
me ya me for mani no ya be sere MPP party no amuma jebi sebi democracy mbra party nim party de democracy o ma ene na yo se bia be ka se ba o mo tino no na bia o mo no mo de ya se no be ma bi o no be pa no mo de ade tina mo man ko test the flag bell na mo no mo de mo ma ba me gira we wa hu mi nia na me mani no me sere His Excellency we don't know the president of this land ayo mbabetum ni nsuo na eburu ni party ne nti ajeto light ni nya ne san
ya tum onye ye babetum ya tum
oh David any omo train sign because omo train sign sa dum so ni na ti omo timi provide 247 now tum ade dada omo tum de no tim boy ya hu so ye commander sugar party o ye Kumasi international wo ye bibia unduma dia wo bo na enyewe na obetum ebe ka se no ye bibi mesra wa development mamufuo no yeso ye huna mane ye nko de ye papa ye na to abama de na gu nkotude egu from ya hu du mama e ebe ha ya pa because ko unya light ni we tu light ma mini aba wo tu wono me ha wa de
ha dwen
mu take mu to fuel
mu to
okay that's it all right so for honorable president
mo akwaba
wafi no apom de dey
nyame Adom
honorable president me akwa asem so me enkoso di asem ni a
Omae madika ka chiro so ba we angasa no me wife no ndi se me ba o mano so na me chia no wife a ka wano tum no nim top one na wo ka no e fa ho mem de bule no
na be ba ko pe biribia
o se top one ni fa he
o se fa ho mem ba de bia
o da bi be da meti ama san meti bibia mai
Omae ma me ko ma se mo so nse me ne ya akona wie ma me ko ma se Omae ma me fa ko na so fa chia Prophet Francis Kwate onyame nipa obeli bokuromu na anwanwa djuma papa ne nam so wo ye no onyame hira papa no ma na enumuhunu ene ahoden kese pa no fanya djuma moa aliboman amaye me kankani anwasem kakra am se o man Ghana elesre se de menu aba ko beka ye no ye nyina no ye pe o man yi ana o man se etumpo a eboa ma ye nyina so ye timu no ye hotoye ekani anwasem a abetoja Omampenyi president Mama eko parliament ko ka say ono as a president no obeya mankani na ye adwuma no am say papa no obo no modie na mesre shala TCT company Ghana no omumpe omaga na ye ana omumpe se oma na nkasa no ye nyina ye hu kire ye because kani dundum a eko so yi obeka ya omupie ro be ka kire om se ebe ka kire Ghana fo nyina say ye ntia etu a betima boro mo matima service ye ana Ghana fo nyina gitu mu say betua sa to no ye tua say ya da so do so no and ba ne say ase be president amasa be ka che Ghana fo nyina say mutu nkaniam na say mo nkasa mo ye mabofo ase mo mpe omani ye se mo pe omani ya sa no mo ye ko sunya ka mbetima ye djuma Ghana fo so ke mo chema latis company Ghana no ene sika kotwa o show ma ti so Cote d'Ivoire omo kontokwa pa so stay omo kanye da so na ye kontokwa ye ni hwe no aye ti o memo ni dem da su na ma ka te Ghana ko se ye me chia enkania wo ye chato e bro adene ntia so aye mo pro mani ya
da se honorable prince ya da se ye fa Lookman
ono chato
Lookman una chato ntietie mu enko
akosia
yes papa majoso
mechia ma hene pa
o chia mai dai
na now de
o chia mai dai
na da one ne ti ado anuma so ana
o chia mi se chintira o chia mi o chia mi se di ntia
ai o ma hene wo so be
o chia mi se di o chia mi se di ntia
aso echi nyina na sabia mechia wa sa mechia ade ba ko penti na mechia o se de be ya ade a se
o be ka o
e ka wa so kakra ka na me de chia o
nipa je o
Look pa no ano no wo chia no akai wo dura hema mu die se ne no ano no na eko ai mami tie o
medasi no kwasem ni ohwe kwan a eye electricity for the Ghana for faso a emu awirem esansa ye kan multimedia se anadwo krampo no minyamo anadwo fruit of okrokunya no dundum fidie no meboa
eno ano no
anything ye ka krampo a mu multimedia kwa mu kura ni person kam kwa mu ba bonten na ke nyina no na ka demonstration mu ye na ke dimochi esansa ekonya nkofo edi Ghana for faso no oponi nyina chi na samusa be ka kire say electricity no matumu a enya tenie omudi atem adie menyam nwa adie president mahama oso no edwamfunu enti niema na ekoso nyina no asa wonte masa de ekọ no de mu awirem enti ro de electricity fo mo ne president mahama we de won fo dwamfunu asa ne won fa ntonche baabi ne won so be problem no fama yen yewu aden aden won be pa na Ghana fo ya
okay
look
akusienda obiasi na afia Adamaji ayekrado say o de Kesee bro Jifax for Adarama make us say non kono kopim no nduzu akusia safo a kentimpo ebesa hyiawo na ono atimi edi nkomo yako ebesa aba